Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. So today we are looking at Ondo Finance or Ondo token. So I did cover this token when it was around 40 cent, and after that I covered it around, I think around 65 or something like that, and after that I covered it at top, as you can see here. And again I am covering this coin again, so I will be going through various things about this coin and why it is super bullish as of now, and I will also cover the price action at the end. But there are some issues that you should know about Ondo coin as well, so let's get started. So if you are only interested in price action and about the token, you can actually just go at the end where I will talk about the token unlocks as well as its price action. So first of all, let's look at what is happening with Ondo. So, and Ondo has been doing a lot of things recently. So, of course, if you know Ondo, their first flagship product were, I believe, USTY and OUSG. But after that, they announced Ondo Global Markets. We have Nexus for insurance as well. And the big thing that they just announced is basically Ondo chain, which is going to be a layer 1 chain for RWAs, real world assets. So that is going to be a massive deal, because if you look at other RWAs, we have Omni, or we have OM or Mantra. I did cover this coin when it was around 3.5. Again, just wanted to say that. So anyways, it is also a layer 1 for RWAs, so I think the Ondo will most likely follow OM coin soon, because if you look at here, Ondo has a market cap of around 4 billion, and Mantra or OM has a market cap of 7.1. So I think the Ondo can do even much more better. Again, for their product, we have basically their motto is Wall Street meet DeFi. So they have something called Ondo Global Markets, where there are a lot of, as you can see here, buy, sell, and trade thousands of tokens backed by 1:1 ratio by traditional stocks, bonds, and ETFs. So this is a massive thing, and I think this is a massive platform that they have going on. After that, we also have Ondo chain, which is coming up, and that is going to be a massive again. So I think that's pretty good. And after that, if we look here, they also just partnered with Trump-backed World Liability Financial. That is a massive one. We have introducing Ondo chain, again another massive one. We have Ondo Global Markets, another massive one, as you can see here. They have been just delivering, as you can see. So that's pretty good. They also partnered with Ripple, another massive thing. Again, we have Ondo Nexus, as you can see. We have insurance as well, issuers as well, so that's pretty good. We have a lot of partnerships that Ondo has been doing, again with a PayPal as well, so that's a massive one. So it has been doing a lot. And we also had another big news, which was that South Korea to allow institutional crypto trading in 2025. So I think the the interest in Ondo is going to increase even more, because South Korea is one of the biggest when it comes to the crypto trading. So I think once the institutional investors of South Korea get into crypto, I think the Ondo will be on the forefront, of course, along with other coins such as BTC, we have Mantra, we have Chainlink, and others. But I think the Ondo will get a lot of market cap from that as well. So there is another thing that you should know. The demand for the Ondo's product is increasing, but we have a single product called OUSG, which is basically, okay, so let's just open this. It is actually backed by, as you can see here, the primary asset is BlackRock USD Institutional Digital Liquidity Fund. So that is a massive one. So, and all of the institutions, this is not available to retail investors, so it is institutional investors only. And if you look here, if you look at the TVL, the USTY is going down, but the demand for OUSG is increasing day by day. So this is a massive one, and again it just hit new all-time high. So I think that is a massive thing for the Ondo. So these were reasons why I think Ondo is very bullish, and the interest for RWAs is increasing, as you can see here. If you just look here, RWA's market cap is increasing, and we are around 38 billion, and I believe this will most likely go in this pull run as high as 100 billion or even higher, because this is a very bullish narrative in the crypto market as of now, along with AI coins and meme coins. So this is a massive one. So now coming to the Ondo token itself, there is something that you should know why Ondo has been struggling to go up. Even if you look at other RWAs, they just went up. So the big reason from what I think is because of the token supply. So Ondo had a massive token release, as you can see here. We saw around private sale investors getting around 430 million Ondo tokens. So I think because of that we have somewhat sell pressure. Of course, I don't think that all of the private sale investors are going to sell their tokens, because this is a massive project. But again, still they will most likely take some profit along the way from that's what I think. Again, if you look here, it has been struggling since its unlock, and it has struggled to actually break its June 2024 all-time high, which was around 1.44. As you can see, it went down here. So what is happening here? So what I think, we have a pretty good support around 1.3, 1.13 and 1.07, and if we do break that, we will most likely go lower, probably somewhere around 88 to 83. That is possible if the market does go down, and as of now it seems like that BTC is struggling. So if we do break out from here, we will most likely go higher, and if that happens, I think the Ondo will most likely go higher as well. But we do need to see breakout from here, from this downtrend line. If we do break out from here, we will most likely go higher. So let's just say that it starts to go up. So we did have a pretty good breakout from here, but it did not continue. Again, I think this resistance is a pretty strong one, so we do need to see breakout. But if you look here, the Ondo, if we try to analyze the price in the past, as you can see here, this is a pattern. So Ondo was struggling quite a bit, and right after here, I believe, so once we broke out from this downtrend, we actually went and made new all-time high. So the old all-time high was somewhere around 1.48, and after that we made a new high around 2.14, and I think if we do break this all-time high, we will most likely go toward $4 or even higher, because it has a pretty, I think the demand for Ondo will increase as the time goes on. But we do have to see when the sell pressure from these investors or from the additional tokens will cool off. So let's just see what happens. But I think if we do break out from here, we can actually go as high as $4. Anyway, this was it. I hope you liked the video. I will be back with more. Thanks for watching.